outside, you know it's a muggy day today. But one thing has changed a little bit from yesterday. We don't have as many trigger mechanisms running around to create the thunderstorms that we were seeing yesterday at this time, so things are calmer. Not everybody is staying dry, but a good chunk of the real estate is. We're watching a cluster of thunderstorms coming out of southern Indiana, western Kentucky. That's going to head toward eventually Lake Cumberland, but it's going to take a while to get there. We do have one batch of thunderstorms that are moving around Cave Run Lake. You can see them there in Rowan County, back down toward West Liberty. A couple of decent storms also around Salyersville in Montgomery County. Thing is, with these storms, there's not been a whole lot of movement on these. And in fact, when you're looking at the amount of water that's come down, you're seeing that you're hitting a peak there in northern Morgan County with just about an inch of rain that has come down over the last little bit. Rowan County, you're about a ½ inch of rain with those heavier downpours that are ongoing. But you see how that line just doesn't move. The individual cells are moving southeast, but the line itself, there's nothing to push it around. So it's been raining in essentially the same places, but you also notice the lightning activity really decreased as well. Look at these rainfall numbers going back to Saturday. This is just amazing. We had flooding and some horrific flooding took place in parts of Washington County, and the heavy rain went down, measured 7.5 inches of rain since Saturday in Loretto, so a little north of Lebanon there. I mean, that's just an amazing amount of, that's 2 months worth of rain that we've done since the weekend. But you've got all this rain here, and you've got another nice swath that cuts across the areas to the northeast, but in between, rainfall amounts, I mean, they were okay. I mean, it's about an average amount of rain, but compared to either side, it's amazing how those storms lined up. And so folks who got rain got a tremendous amount. Other folks, not so much. Again, the flood watches until 8 o'clock for the southeast, midnight central and north, 8 a.m. for the areas to the southwest. That would be Casey County. And that is the area that we're looking at the greatest threat. Casey, Marion, Washington counties, that cluster coming out of Owensboro. These are just tropical storms. They've got a ton of water with them, and they drop it in a hurry. Rain chances leave starting on Thursday. The heat's going to follow it in, but the humidity is also going to go away. So here are your rain chances that are leaving, and truthfully over the weekend, rain chances are pretty small. But from 3 and 4 days out, you don't like to put a metaphysical certitude that it's not going to rain, because there's a lot of variables in the atmosphere. One of the variables we look at also is the amount of moisture in the air, the mugginess. Well, as we get you toward the weekend, the holiday weekend, those numbers are down in the low 60s. Life's feeling pretty good. Here you go. You got the same front that's been around here since the end of last week. You're looking at thunderstorm complexes blowing up along that front. But with time, it's getting pushed to the south and southwest. And as that happens, our weather improves as that high pressure builds in. Say hello to your weekend weather maker. Right now, temperatures hovering around 80. 79 at the Bluegrass Airport, but that dew point, boy, it is muggy out there. And again, you see those dew points in the 70s. That will eventually go away. Flash flood watch for tonight. It will be going away with time, and the threat really does look to be decreasing. Still locally heavy downpour can't be ruled out. We're in the upper 60s, and it's mid-80s tomorrow. Scattered thunderstorms around. That chance continues to decrease on Thursday. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday just look hot for the holiday weekend. And more LAX 18 News after this.